Hey guys, we're on our way back from Beavers Bend.
Great trip.
Oh, it was great. I suggest that you drop everything you're doing at this moment and make a reservation. I mean, it's that good.
It's a great place.
Yeah, there was so much to do there. So we're going to split the video up into 2 parts. Smile, come on, don't look like that. Hey guys, we're back from Beavers Bend.
No, we're not back. We're on our way back.
Okay. You know, and we have no idea where we are. Go ahead. Yeah, we don't know where we are.
Notice the iconic Beavers Bend sign.
Yep.
If you'll notice in our intro, there's a picture of us there when the kids were tiny.
I had more hair.
Look fast.
Watch this road, like this RV. It's all downhill, 4.5 miles downhill.
Which takes about 15 minutes in this on these windy, curvy roads. Yeah, but it's beautiful.
Oh, it's fantastic. But make sure you get your trailer brakes working because it's downhill.
You can decompress as you drive into the beautiful state park.
Absolutely. And check your transmission when you go back up. This is our campsite. It's really pretty. It was a level, too.
It was very level.
Super level. Yeah, we really enjoyed it.
We were in the Cypress Loop, number 2, just FYI.
It was really nice. I just filmed some stuff in the morning, showed just how beautiful it is. You can't really tell here, but
the river is right down there.
Yeah, the river's down there. And they have a, stock trout pond? No, river.
River.
Not a pond, a river. And this guy looks professional, but they had a bunch of families in there too, you know, but
he was doing the most.
He was doing the most, that's for sure. The Forest Heritage Center.
Sorry, this is where those beautiful dioramas we were talking about.
I mean,
there were like 15 of them.
Yeah.
This was just one of them.
Yeah, look how beautiful that place is. You need to spend about a couple hours in there. And there's the artist right there. And
Harry Rossell.
And there's the Smokey the Bear contribution that he did. Lots
of wood art, like we mentioned. This was amazing. Look at his thighs.
I mean, it's just amazing. No wonder it's the wood art capital of Oklahoma. And it is just flat out amazing there.
Just piece after piece after piece.
Yeah.
Like this is just a small sampling.
Look at the folds in that gown. I mean, it's just amazing. Yeah. Make sure you subscribe. Look at the detail in this. I mean, it's just, like I said, it takes a couple hours to go through there, really. It's really beautiful. And it's free.
Out in the middle, they have like a little cabin and some other stuff out in it's kind of like a round building with a courtyard. Yeah. Hey guys, we left the campsite for a little while, come check out Ho-Chi-Town.
Ho-Chi-Town.
Which is a neat little area close to Beavers Bend. We're getting ready to go in a cute little shop, and they allow pets, so we're gonna take Oscar in.
We'll see what happens.
Yeah. This is the Beavers Bend sign from back in the 50s and 60s. We just thought it was cool.
Super cool.
Took a picture of it.
This is the dam on Broken Bow Lake. It goes forever. It's really awesome there.
The marina, you can rent barges, jet skis. They have tons of houseboats, but those are all privately owned. Tons of houseboats.
Yeah. The marina's worth seeing. Here's some of the cool barges you can rent. All of them you can ski behind.
They have a neat little gift shop. They sell all kinds of stuff that you can take out.
Yeah, it's really interesting to go to the marina. I enjoyed it. It was fun. Oh, subscribe.
This is the back of the Lakeview Lodge, which is basically like a hotel on Broken Bow Lake.
It's beautiful.
Gorgeous view.
What a view, yeah. And here's a view of the river here.
This is behind like the main park office.
Yeah.
Been there forever. This part of the park.
Yeah, behind the old nature center. We saw a video of eagles snatching trout out of that river.
This is the old dam before they built the new one. I'm not even sure when that was, but you can kind of walk down to it.
It's kind of the best kept secret. Nobody was down there.
No.
It's really flat. You can go down there and cool out and sit down right. You can feel the wind coming from the water.
And we're going on a walking trail. It's Oscar's first walking trail.
Yes, we'll see how he hikes.
Yeah, it's going to be fun. They say this is the most beautiful walking trail here in Beavers Bend.
Short and for beginners.
Yeah, and we're just not that adventurous this morning. The night after the mattress. Okay, enjoy. And Oscar is a little tired, but you got your first hike in.
This is the swimming area on the river. You can rent kayaks, canoes, paddle boats. Great time.
And this is a really fun train. It's modeled after a train in 1863. It's for adults and kids.
Fun times.
Yeah.
It's a neat Beavers Bend tradition. It's been there forever.
Forever and ever. And also there's a place to eat ice cream and I think some food there. And it's fun. They have benches that's in the shade and that's a fun time.
Festive.
We took our kids there.
Yeah, 20 years ago.
20 years ago. Oh, and subscribe.
Thank you.
And this is some horses you can rent and ride. It's really fun. It's just the same place that the train.
Watching Beavers Bend Part 2.
Part 2.
Hope you enjoyed it.
Yeah, we hope you liked it.
If for some reason you didn't see Beavers Bend Part 1, we will link it so you can check that out.
And comment below and subscribe.
Yeah, it's a great place.
Oh, we love it.
Highly recommended. If you couldn't tell by the fun we were having,
It's great.
It's really a great place. I think we'll probably go back soon.
Yeah, we will.
Yeah. Thanks again.
Maybe with Oscar.
Maybe.
See ya.
Bye. I think I need to figure out how to get to 259 South.
Oh gosh.
What did you just hit?
Man,